In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a field in Zoho CRM, a comprehensive guide tailored for 2025. This process is essential for customizing your CRM to better fit your business needs, allowing you to capture additional data points crucial for your unique processes. To begin, you'll first want to navigate to the Zoho CRM homepage. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the menu on your left-hand side and locate the Leads module. This is typically where your new fields will have the most impact, especially if you're capturing new prospects. Click Leads. Upon doing this, the system will redirect you to the Leads module section. Now, watch for the section labeled Highlight. Clicking on this will open up additional options for you. Once you're in, look for a section labeled Available and Selected. What you're going to do next is to click on whatever items you wish to adjust from the Available section to add into your selected area. This will display the additional fields you want to incorporate. Next, focus on locating the city option. Clicking on city gives you more control over your geographical data fields, which is incredibly beneficial for segmenting contacts based on location. When you click the option, be sure to double check its placement to ensure it's exactly where you want. After handling the city field, go ahead and find another field marked Highlight. Click on it to manage what the system refers to as essential for your leads. Precision here is key, especially if you have specific fields that drive important sales metrics or demographic insights. Subsequently, seek out the country field. Once again, click into it and confirm that it aligns correctly with your previously selected fields. Country data plays a crucial role in reporting and analysis, especially if you operate on an international level. Keep an eye out for another prompt labeled Highlight and click it. This step reaffirms the list of active fields you've accumulated so far, ensuring they're synced correctly. Moving along, locate the field named Created By. Clicking into this one will attribute entries to the corresponding team member, an essential feature for internal tracking and accountability. Again, double check its placement before moving on. You'll then encounter another prompt for Highlight, which you should click to ensure seamless integration of all the fields you've set up so far. Following that, continue forward by navigating through any additional highlight prompts, ensuring they are correctly configured as you go through your settings. This iterative process confirms that each change you've initiated is captured correctly and reflected accurately across your CRM module. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added and managed fields in Zoho CRM tailored to enhance your workflow efficiency for the year 2025. Thank you for joining, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful CRM insights.